Ever found yourself standing at a checkout, card in hand, wondering if it'll actually work? You know, that split-second panic when you're not entirely sure which network your card is on. It's a surprisingly common little anxiety, isn't it? Especially when it comes to online banks or those less traditional financial institutions. Today, we're diving into one of those very questions that pops up frequently: is Ally Bank Visa or Mastercard? But before we get to the brass tacks, let's take a moment to understand why this seemingly simple question even matters. We live in a world where payment networks are the silent engines powering our daily transactions. Visa and Mastercard, the two giants, have carved out distinct territories, each with its own network of acceptance, benefits, and sometimes even subtle differences in how transactions are processed. Picture this: you're traveling abroad, ready to use your debit card at a local market. Suddenly, you realize the vendor only accepts one specific network. Or maybe you're trying to take advantage of a specific cashback offer that's tied to a particular network. Understanding which network your card belongs to can make a real difference in your financial life. And let's be honest, Ally Bank, with its online-only model and competitive rates, has become a popular choice for many. It's a modern approach to banking, and naturally, people have questions about the finer details. So, the question of Visa or Mastercard isn't just a trivial one, it's about understanding the infrastructure that supports your financial transactions. Now, to truly grasp the answer, we need to peel back a few layers. We're not just dealing with the card itself, we're dealing with the entire ecosystem of Ally Bank's offerings. We're talking about their checking accounts, savings accounts, and even their credit cards. Each of these products might have a different network association. Let's start with the most common point of confusion: the Ally Bank debit card. When you open an Ally Bank spending account, their checking account, you'll receive a debit card. And here's the key: Ally Bank issues debit cards that are on the Mastercard network. Yes, you heard that right. The standard Ally Bank debit card is a Mastercard. This means that it's accepted at millions of locations worldwide where Mastercard is accepted. It also means you benefit from Mastercard's zero liability protection, which protects you from unauthorized purchases. But why Mastercard? Why not Visa? Well, the choice of network is a business decision made by Ally Bank. They likely have partnerships and agreements in place that make Mastercard the preferred network for their debit cards. It's not necessarily about one network being inherently better than the other, it's about what works best for Ally Bank and their customers. Now, let's move beyond the debit card and delve into Ally Bank's credit card offerings. This is where things get a little more nuanced. Ally Bank offers the Ally Everyday Cash Back Mastercard. Notice that word Mastercard again? That's right, their credit card is also on the Mastercard network. This means you'll enjoy the benefits and protections associated with Mastercard credit cards, including purchase protection, extended warranty, and potential travel benefits, depending on the specific card features. So, to summarize, both the Ally Bank debit card and the Ally Bank credit card are issued on the Mastercard network. This provides a consistent experience for Ally Bank customers and ensures widespread acceptance of their cards. But let's not stop there. It's crucial to understand the implications of this. Being on the Mastercard network means you'll have access to Mastercard's vast network of ATMs and merchants. It also means you can participate in Mastercard's various programs and promotions. For instance, Mastercard often partners with retailers and restaurants to offer exclusive discounts and cashback deals. These deals can be accessed through the Mastercard website or app, and they can help you save money on your everyday purchases. Furthermore, Mastercard provides robust security features, including chip technology and fraud monitoring. These features help protect you from unauthorized transactions and give you peace of mind when using your card. Now, you might be wondering, what about the differences between Visa and Mastercard? While both networks offer similar core functionalities, there are some subtle distinctions. For example, some travel benefits or insurance protections might vary slightly between the two networks. However, for the average consumer, the differences are often negligible. Both Visa and Mastercard are widely accepted, and both offer excellent security features. The choice between the two often comes down to personal preference or specific card benefits. In the case of Ally Bank, they've chosen to align themselves with Mastercard. This means that if you're an Ally Bank customer, you'll be using the Mastercard network for your debit and credit card transactions. Now, let's address a common misconception. Some people believe that online banks like Ally Bank are less secure than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. This is simply not true. Ally Bank employs state-of-the-art security measures to protect your financial information. They use encryption technology, fraud detection systems, and other advanced security protocols to ensure the safety of your transactions. In fact, online banks often have an advantage in terms of security because they can invest heavily in technology without the overhead costs of physical branches. Furthermore, Ally Bank is FDIC insured, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category. This provides the same level of protection as you would receive at a traditional bank. So, to reiterate, Ally Bank cards, both debit and credit, are on the Mastercard network. This ensures widespread acceptance and access to Mastercard's benefits and security features. And remember, the choice of network is a business decision made by Ally Bank, and it doesn't necessarily reflect on the quality of their services. Let's also address the fact that technology changes rapidly. In the future, a bank's network association could change. It is always wise to check with your bank directly for the most up-to-date information. In summary, when you're using your Ally Bank debit or credit card, you are using the Mastercard network. This means you can confidently make purchases at millions of locations worldwide, knowing that your transactions are secure and protected. So, the next time you're standing at a checkout, card in hand, you can confidently say, "It's a Mastercard." And that little anxiety? Well, hopefully, it's a thing of the past. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.